Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Knowledge. So this is the 33rd tutorial of our Django series. So I again welcome you all to Programming Knowledge. So basically in the today's tutorial we are going to continue with the TodoApp. So basically we will perform a search query based on title. So title of this video is search data. So basically what data we have in the all to do app. So basically I'll show my app. So we have add, list all to do, and this is sort by priority. So basically in list all to do section we have all the to dos. So basically I can add few more as well. So let me do some I added on let me do Django. So I have it on Django, then Django priority I'll give it to number 1, topmost priority. So here you can see I have on Django, then or I'll do another one, add another one, Python, and I'll add on Python, again Python. I'll add priority again to number 2, okay, or maybe 1 also. So here I have added Python also. So basically if you want to search our to-dos, so we can form a search query. So for that I'll refer to the query set. So the one I told you which is going to be very important for this is going to be contains. So I'll move to that. Contains uh, contains. I'll move to contains. Okay, sorry for this. Contains, yeah. Okay, I am having some issue. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, so basically we have contains. So yeah, here you can see this one. Yes, so objects dot filter, and this is the this contains me this keyword is being looked in this headline. Okay, so for if even we'll design the same thing for the title one. So let's get started with this. So what we can do, we'll move to urls.py file, and then we'll define a path, then search data, then I'll define views dot search data, okay, and name is equal to search data. So basically I'll define search data. Now what I can do, so I'll define in my views, define search data, and it will take a request as a parameter, and we'll do what I'll try to then we'll perform the operation. So till time I can do the pass. So basically if you want to do fetch the query, then I'll move to my index.html page. So this is search by title. Okay, so I'll give it to person URL, okay, search data. Okay, so this would perform my query to that, and then this is the form. So here you can see, this I want to show you one thing. Okay, let me do right click, inspect. So basically what I'm trying to show here, that this thing is a form. Okay, and this whole thing you can see, yeah. So yeah, so here you can see, yeah, this is a form which is being highlighted now. This to do title, to do description, to do priority, this is a form in itself. So for that form to submit this, we refer to the add button. And for this form, it has no button, so we will create a button for this form. Okay, so search by title is a form in itself, plus this is in a form itself. Okay, so for that what we can do, we'll move to that search by title, search data, and we'll create a button. Button type is equal to submit, name is equal to for that we do button type is equal to submit, and we'll do submit or search. So let me do search query. Okay, search by search. Okay, and now for that we can do uh, class is equal to button primary. Okay, for that we'll, and style, I'll define a style is equal to display block and margin 0 auto. Okay, so this would define a button to the center, Okay, let me do one rem. So it would also give a top margin here. So when I refresh this page, here you can see I have a search button. Fine. Now when uh, when I move here, so to search to initially see if it's working fine, I'll define a queue. It equals to request dot get query, and I'll define a HTTP responsive queue. So let me move to my page. I'll refresh this and I'll type cricket. Okay, I'll type cr. So yes, it gives me a HTTP forms of cr, so it works fine. Okay, now we would render the these to-do objects on our front end. So basically we can do what we can do. I want to show you one thing also. We have contains. So basically this is equivalent to even last time I showed you contains this one. Okay, yeah, yeah, I wanted to show you this thing. So case sensitive containment, this is contains. So basically there is a slight difference between uh, this contains and I contains. So basically here I stands for insensitive. So this is case sensitive and this one is case insensitive. So this one I wanted to show you, and this is equivalent to this SQL query where headline is percent this keyword. So okay, so basically this is a small difference I wanted to show you between the contains and insensitive contains. So basically there is a difference of this keyword I. So we can move to our application now. So what we can do, so I'll define my dictionary. I'll define a dictionary, then I will return render. Okay, then request, then list.html. Okay, if you want to show the result in the list itself, so basically we are referring to the same template again and again. Then context is equal to my dictionary. This is pretty much same as above, but here a difference will be. So what we have, all to do's. Okay, for that we have to do dot objects dot filter. Okay, then what we are going to do, filter, and now we are going to define title. So basically we'll move to models.py file. So this is the title word we are going to use. Title double underscore, we'll define double underscore contains is equal to q. Okay, so I hope this should work fine. So this is, we are referring to title to have this. Okay, so let me do one thing. I'll make a search query. So if I type cr, then we have cricket. Okay, so it matched my query. So let me do one list all to do. So cricket 89. So I'll define a cricket. So see this cricket, cricket and then 90. So this is a different form working. Okay, absolutely fine. So this is cricket 90. Then I'll define another one, cricket, then 91. So when I should type cr, so it should return all the crickets with 89, 90 and 91. Then even I do sort by priority. Okay, okay. Sorry for this. Okay, we'll work on this, but till now we can. This is the. Okay, I'll clear this. So basically, this was sort data. So it referred to all to dos. It has no filter yet. Okay, but when we just search data, so I'll do this again. Uh, I'll define cricket, and now I have 89, 90 and 91. Okay, so we will next time we'll try for the update operation. So okay, we'll check another one. Then let me type BA. So basketball would be, so this is basketball, okay, and this is BA refers to here as well, so it is referring to the BA in the basketball and football, okay, BA. So we will define, let me do another. Okay, you can type the query here as well, FOO football, so this would return me football only. And let me type OR, so this would match this regex server order by. So this works absolutely fine. So we can do for another as well. Let me do DJ, so it would return me Django, and PY, this would return me Python. So absolutely working fine. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you so much. I'll catch you in the next tutorial. So in next one we are going to do the update operation.